This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make bone broth recipe, updated. Start by gathering 4 pounds of bones, 2 carrots, 2 celery stalks, 1 onion, and 2 tablespoons apple cider vinegar to draw out minerals. Roast bones until deeply browned, then transfer to a large stock pot or slow cooker. Cover with water leaving 2 inches headspace and bring to a gentle simmer before skimming foam and adding herbs. Simmer the broth for 12 to 24 hours for best flavor and gelatin extraction, maintaining a barely simmering low heat and checking water level every few hours. After simmering, cool slightly and strain through a fine mesh or cheesecloth into containers, discard solids, then refrigerate until fat solidifies on top. Remove fat if desired, season with salt and a splash of vinegar or soy sauce when reheating to taste. Quick recommendation: if you enjoy simple habits that compound over time, consider the book The Simple Path to Wealth for clear money thinking and calm decision-making. It pairs humorously with broth because both build slowly and pay off later. If this is helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing recipes and tips. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Store bone broth in the fridge for up to 5 days or freeze in portions for up to 3 months, leaving headspace for expansion. Use ice cube trays for small portions or freeze in jars with a 2-inch gap to prevent cracking and label with date. Reheat gently to preserve collagen, avoid boiling, and use broth within a few reheats for best texture and flavor. This helps maintain gelatinous texture and nutrients for richer sauces and healthier meals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.